Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by checking essentials: battery level, cellular data, and account status so you avoid wasted steps. Once confirmed, toggle the hotspot off, count 10 seconds, then enable it again to clear transient errors. Restart your phone and the connecting device to reset network stacks. This often resolves permission or temporary routing faults. Make sure airplane mode is off and cellular data is enabled before moving to deeper checks. You now inspect settings that commonly block connections. Change the hotspot band. Use 4 GHz for range and 5 GHz for speed. Once done, test both because compatibility varies. Give the network a clear SSID and an 8+ character WPA2 password so clients can authenticate cleanly. Make sure DHCP is enabled to assign IPs and temporarily disable MAC filtering. These steps remove common configuration barriers that cause hotspot errors. You finish with advanced remedies. Reset network settings to clear corrupted configurations, but backup saved Wi-Fi passwords first. Update the device OS and verify carrier APN or tethering plan. Carriers sometimes block hotspot tethering. After updates, retest connectivity and monitor IP assignment. If nothing works, consider a factory reset of the hotspot device. Quick troubleshooting tip: if clients show limited connectivity,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.